What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your boy. Back up in this thing. Want to intro. I don't even know how to talk intro. How do you intro something? Why's that? It's your boy, Big Mike, back in the building. Actually, we in the new garage. Yeah, we off in here in this new mi casa of mine. And I know y'all been anticipating them hood vents, but man, your boy moved, went to Pittsburgh. I've been out of town on business, this and that and the third. So yeah, my bad. That video is coming soon, so stay tuned. But in the meantime, I wanted to show y'all a little something. But yeah, like I said, we in the new hizzle for shizzle. So I'm just looking around here in my garage for the new little peas art. I think I see him, dog. Look. Let's go check it out. Hold on, let me turn the little light on. Bam, there your boy is. Let's see if we can see it. What do we got for the G? Ooh. Ta-da! Yeah, man. Had to go hit the yard. Found one of them's. Because now that we got the 3-car garage, you know what I'm saying? Wanted to program one of these and see how easy, or see if it even works with the little garage door we got. That way I ain't gotta have a thing in my Jeep or the keychains. The keychains is cool, but this little bad boy right here work. Biznitty jitty. Now, I don't have a sunroof in mind, and as you guys can see, there's the little sunroof switch. But I could probably just hook that up to something else and, you know, actuate a winch or something, or we'll figure it out. New video coming soon with that. Maybe not soon, but you know what I mean. So yeah, mine doesn't have the 3 little buttons that you can program. I don't know if it's just to garage doors, but I know you can program them to garage doors. So we're finna see if that works today. So stay tuned, stick with your boy. We finna yeah, try to plug it up. Let's see what it do. So now we in the Jeep. Let me show y'all. This is the plain old, you know, good one that I had in here. It works. Also, because I got a little sub in the back, this little piece right here likes to vibrate a lot. I've been trying to insulate it with something, but we'll see if this new one has the same issue, or if maybe it's a, you know, well insulated one. But yeah, that's the old one, and we're gonna swap it for that one, so you can see a little bit of a difference. But I can have an accessory switch and those 3 buttons, so let's see what it do. And I did luck out. This one has bulbs, but I don't know if they work, but the color match, and they're both, you know, same size, whatever. Boom, boom, boom. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this one down, throw this one in there, see if it work. If it do, yeah, boy. Oh yeah, real quick, if y'all ain't never taken one of these off, there's just a little screw right up in there. Then on this side, and then on that side, you just pull it down. It's just held in by some little clips. It ain't no big deal to take that off, so just pop him off. Ta-da! Bonus, the lights work. I think, let me see, hold up. I mean, yeah, they do, but there's the little clicks. Come on, man, turn off, man. I don't know, maybe they are. I don't know how we do that. Man, okay, hold up. When they gonna turn on? All right, moment of truth. Boom. Wow. Okay. Yeah, boy. All right, let me see. Let me grab a little key. Now we gotta see if the screen work in this thing. Hold up. What y'all think? Screen work? Screen no work? Where am I looking? Whew, this light is bright. All right, let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Bam. And we like. Let's see where we at. Oh, okay. Yeah. Service tire pressure system. We ain't got one of them. We ain't that fancy. Maybe one day. But hold up. Okay, so tire, man, hold on, y'all, cause hold up. Okay, we had to turn the little stereo off before it started just beating down the block. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's see. Hold on. Menu. Okay. Display. Auto door locks. I don't know. Do we want that? Maybe not. Yeah, we do. Oh, shoot. No. We lock something out. Nah, we do it. Auto unlock on exit. Yup. Remove. Oh, remote unlocks all doors. Yep. Sound horn with lock. Why not? Flashlights with locks. Yup. Headlight delay. Service 3000. Low fuel. Aw, man, you already know. Retrain tire sensors. Nope. Perform service soon. Dang. We gotta. What? Man. Okay, let's see. Hold up. Flashing lights. Retrain tire sensors. I ain't got no tire sensors, kid. I don't even know. We have to figure that one out. No, I don't want to do that. Alright, let's see. Instant. I don't even know what that means. Trip miles. We ain't tripping. 0 miles to service. What? Okay, hold up. Boom. Okay, we good. I do it on 3000. You know, this is an OG. It's an OG. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I make sure that that lube and everything is good. Gotta have that good lube. You know what I'm saying? You know, you don't want your engine, you know, doing some catastrophic failure type stuff. So you gotta, you know, keep them juicy. All right, so everything looks legit except the tire pressure thing, which I don't have on this Jeep, but everything else is bituminous. Okay, yeah. Anyways, yeah, we headed north and 64 degrees seems about right. So I think this is a win. Now for the actual win. Let's see if we can get these 3 buttons. If you guys have a garage door opener, you should know how to program remotes, things like that. I recently figured out how to do ours because we just hooked up some keychain style garage door openers. So I'm basically gonna repeat that same deal and see if that works. So wish me luck. I'm not gonna go through all that steps. There's plenty of videos on how to reset and do all that, but I will let you know if this works and then show y'all what it do. If it don't, we'll see what it do after that. Okay, it's a new day. So I wasn't gonna go through the whole steps of how to program your garage door opener because I thought it was super easy and you guys can just figure it out, but it's a new day because your boy had to figure a couple things out. Even after watching a couple of the videos, you just gotta, you know, mess with it for a little bit. But one thing to take into account is when you get one of these bad boys, you're gonna have to clear the codes because it was already pre-programmed most likely to somebody else's garage. And to do that, the button with 1 dot and the button with 3 dots, you gotta hold them both down at the same time. The screen will say that it's clearing the codes and it takes about 15-20 seconds. And then it'll say like codes cleared or something, letting you know when it's done. Then at that point, you can go ahead and program it. So you have to have your garage door opener at the same time with you to program these because you got to hold down the button on your garage door opener and hold down whatever button you want to use when you're going to program it. And the tricky part is when you're holding down the button on your garage door opener, you have to hold it like super close and you got to like circle it until like this thing will read it. And once it does, then you basically sync this with the code. But then there's another step where the garage door opener back up in there, you got to sync it with that as well. Now, if I touch this button, you can see that there's the little house icon with the buttons under there, there's 3 dots because I'm holding the 3-dot button. Bam. When you are connecting this or trying to program it, you can see the dots are blinking slow. When you have connection, they start blinking really fast. So again, you got to hold down the button on your garage door opener, hold down the button you want to use. Those buttons will flash slow. Once it gets the code, they'll start blinking really fast. Then you got to go to your garage door opener, and then you got to hold or press the button that allows that to learn whatever opener you're going to use. And then you come back over here and you hold that button down again. And once those dots start flashing super fast, that means you got connection. And then for mine, I had to hit it one more time to turn the learn button off on there. Hit this one more time, and then boom. And so I think we got it set. And so now we're gonna test that. You wanna help me test it? Okay, so you gotta press the 1-dot button. Gotta hold it down. Hey! Yeah, boy. All right, so, oh, it's all good. Press and hold it one more time. Hey! All right, let go. So you gotta let it go. So if you hold it down, it's gonna stop it. So the number 2 button, the dot, this one right here, mama, press that one for a second. Once you see the garage door start moving, let it go. All right, let it go. Ha ha! Got him! Chill. All right, so basically, we got those hooked up. All right, so we got functionality. Feel good about it?
Yeah.
We got it hooked up. So that was a lot of blah 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 and some more blah blah blah. But it's not hard. You just gotta go through the steps and you'll hook it up. So looks like job well done. The only thing I'm still dealing with is every time I turn the car on, it's looking for the tire pressure sensors. I don't know, again, if there's any way to turn that off, or this one, as you guys know, had the sunroof. I think there's some of these consoles that don't have the sunroof, and maybe they don't come with the tire pressure sensor thing, so I might look for one of those. Otherwise, I either have to deal with hitting the button to turn the chime off up there, because it'll say tire pressure blah blah blah, or just go back to using the old one. But I like this function, so I'll probably keep it. I'll try to get over that whole thing. But other than that, if I like it and I keep it, and you guys need the old one I had, let me know in the comments. Also, again, if you guys know how to turn that function off, or know a little bit more about these consoles and the different ones they have, let me know. You know what I'm saying? Drop that comment. What's up, mama?
Can I have a napkin?
A napkin? Yeah, give me 1 second. Other than that, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. More videos coming. Welcome to me casa, you know what I'm saying? And other than that, man, y'all be easy. Say deuces.
Yeah.
Are you driving?
Yeah.
You speed, what'd you call it? Speed what?
Speed limiting.
Speed limiting? She dipping on it. Watch out for her. All right.